We've got to figure something out, all right? The people on Earth are going to die. Think.
Cooper, they didn't bring us here to change the past.
Say that again.
They didn't bring us here to change the past.
Well, they didn't bring us here at all. We brought ourselves.
Why did you and Mom name me after something that's bad?
No, we didn't.
Murphy's Law.
Murphy's Law doesn't mean that something bad will happen. What it means is that whatever can happen will happen. And that sounded just fine with us.
Stay. It says stay, Dad. You don't believe me.
Don't let me leave, Murph. Don't let me leave,